Press the mode key to turn on the power. Press the chrono and mode key simultaneously for about 2 seconds to enter the maintenance mode. Press A+ key or G- key to adjust the number to 3. Press the mode key to confirm the number and move to the next number. Set the 4 codes to 3772 and press the mode key to confirm. The controller shows the word BAT and shows the current battery voltage is about 44.8 volt. Here is a list of known console codes. Please note, these codes are not supported by all controller firmware. I hope this video is useful to you. Please like, subscribe, and share to support me. Thank you.